iPhone. A very fancy device that amounts to nothing other than it's a luxurious design and all. So yeah, hi, I'm Sunha from Undercover Report. Now it has been quite a while since the last video. That's because I just got a new device, and today we're going to unbox this iPhone 8 white 64GB device. Anyways, iPhone, very exciting because now it's my first Apple device, as you can see. It is certainly much different from Android devices, and certainly even the box, it's very simple, very monochromatic, the color scheme, and also it has that very expensive kind of taste to it, so I'm very happy with it. Anyways, I like the design. This is a picture of the back of the iPhone 8 with a glass cover, which means that it's kind of fragile. Not really my type, but still, I mean, it's iPhone 8. What can you expect when you have a phone that's like 8GB and this one is 64GB? Like, can you expect, right? Anyways, so there's the plastic cover. You can take it off by doing that. Pretty nice. And then you get the box, which is like this. And then here, you open the box, and there's the design by Apple in California, sign. Pretty fancy. Beautiful. And there you go. You have the iPhone 8. You can see the camera, the sensor, the speaker in front. And there's that beautiful static button. That is not a button, but it's actually something that you press and you feel like it's a button. So it's quite a scam. Now, it's my first time putting my hand on an iPhone 8 device. It is beautiful, and God, that back is the most beautiful thing that I've ever seen. Maybe it's because I have an Android phone, but anyways. And God, look at that grip. It holds tight my phone with that screen size and all. I never knew that the resolution of an iPhone is kind of actually poor. But oh my God. Okay. I don't think that is an AirPod, or yeah. Anyways, yeah. That is a very typical Apple earbud. You have that converter for normal earbuds. Yeah, they don't have the typical 3.5mm headphone jack, so that is an L. That is an L. But yeah, look at that glass cover. It kind of reminds me of a jet black iPhone 7. Anyways, it is awesome. It has the whole bundle, basically. A charger and all. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. And well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching my video. I don't need likes or subscribers, but I just want a lot of views. So make sure that you tell people there's this video right at this link so that I can get a lot of views. Thank you very much. This was Undercover Report, and I'm Sun.